Nice to see you again. Hope you have been doing well. Let us meet our cute friends again. This time, please share the video with your folks. The red-shouldered hawk is a medium-sized hawk. Its breeding range spans eastern North America and along the coast of California, and northern to northeastern-central Mexico. It is a permanent resident throughout most of its range, though northern birds do migrate, mostly to central Mexico. The main conservation threat to the widespread species is deforestation. Adults have brownish heads, reddish chests, and pale bellies with reddish bars. Their tails, which are quite long by Buteo standards, are marked with narrow white bars. Red shoulders are visible when the birds are perched. These hawks' upper parts are dark with pale spots, and they have long yellow legs. Western birds may appear more red, while Florida birds are generally paler. The wings of adults are more heavily barred on the upper side. They search for prey while perched on a treetop or soaring over woodlands. When they sight prey, they kill it by dropping directly onto it from the air. They may cache food near their nest for later consumption. When in clearings, they sometimes fly high and then drop to surprise prey. They, like most raptors, have very good vision and reasonably good sense of hearing, with talons capable of killing animals as big as their own size. Small mammals are typically the most common prey, especially rodents. Voles, gophers, mice, moles and chipmunks may locally be favored based on abundance. The breeding habitats are deciduous and mixed wooded areas, often near water. They have been known to nest near residential areas and open water, but this is much less common. They select sites with greater tree species richness for nesting. Like almost all raptors, the red-shouldered hawk is monogamous and territorial. Mating season is between April and July, with activity usually peaking between April and mid-June. The breeding pair builds a stick nest in a major fork of a large tree. They often use the same nest year after year, refurbishing it annually with sticks in the spring. The clutch size is typically 3 to 4 eggs. The incubation period can range from 28 to 33 days. Hatching is asynchronous, with the first chick hatching up to a week before the last. The male more often captures food, but will also incubate and brood occasionally. The young leave the nest at about 6 weeks of age, but remain dependent on the parents until they are 17 to 19 weeks old. They may continue to roost near the nest site until the following breeding season. Breeding maturity is usually attained at 1 or 2 years of age. Thank you very much for staying along. We'll look for you again pretty soon. Take care.